My name is Isabel, and I'm a teacher at Centro Norteamericano. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite apps to practice speaking and listening skills from home. This app is called Gliglish. If you go to Google and you write gliglish.com, you will find it very easily. It's completely free, and you don't need to create an account or anything. So you can start like this. Okay, you click here and you will see all the languages available to practice. In this case, we're going to practice English. So we go English United States, and they will tell you to choose a scenario. You can have like talk to English with, you can talk about whatever topic you want to. You can talk about favorite songs and mini classes that normally are the topics for exams. That is like describing habits and routines, giving direction, giving personal information, greetings. There's like a lot of different topics, as you can see. In this case, we are going to talk to Gliglish directly. We can talk about whatever topic that we want to. Okay, so we go to
Hey,
start.
I'm
He
Gliglish.
starts talking to you
Let's practice your
and
English.
ask you what would you
What
like
would
to
you like
talk
to talk
about.
about?
As you see, you have suggestions here. Okay, and if you don't know how to say what you want to say, you can either write in your own language and they will translate for you. In this case, I want to talk about my favorite TV shows. Hello, I want to talk about my favorite show. My favorite show is The Last of Us. Have you seen it? As you can see, it's listen to our answer and it's going to
Hi.
answer about it.
Yes, I know about it. It's very popular. What do you like about the show?
As you can see, we can practice their suggestions, but for example, I want to talk about my favorite actor. I really love Pedro Pascal. He is in this TV show. What do you know about him? And we stop, she reads, and she answers.
Pedro Pascal is a great actor. He is in many shows and movies.
For example, if we
What is
don't
your favorite
know
role of his?
how to say that he was in, I don't know, in any movie, we can write it. We said, uh, I don't remember uh, what a name for people. And you can see that directly it's going to translate for you. And you can read from here. I don't remember the name of one of his movies. Can you tell me one? And it's going to answer. It's really cool. And as I said, you have a variety of topics that you can speak about. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you use this app and if you like it and if you find it useful. I hope you do. Bye.